Alright YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you guys how much money I accumulate in one day. This is an exclusive video. I'm going to put it out to the public though. Let's do it. YouTube, what's good? I'm back at home now. I just came from the gym, showered, ate, all that. I'm good. I'm straight. I'm chilling. Recap of the day. This is how much I made. Yes, it's possible. It is possible. Through hard work, consistency, and building the right clientele. And also getting rid of clients. A lot of people think you can charge this price, make this money by keeping the same clients. That's not the case at all. Each price point that you get to, you're gonna lose a lot of your clients and you're gonna gain new ones at the higher price point. If you started shopping at a coffee shop and they started at $1 for a cup of coffee, over the course of a year, they ended up getting to $20 or $30. Are you likely to stay with them? Or are they more likely to get a customer at that newer price point? In my opinion, they're more likely to gain new success off of those new clients that come in. Because the new clients come in, they're like, oh, okay, what's the price? 20 bucks? All right, cool. They're not used to the cheaper price. But if an old client, they're like, man, I remember when you guys were at $1. Man, 20? Because they're comparing it to the old price. Think about it. It's logic. It's psychology behind this. That's how I think about it. Anyways, once again, this is the total that I made. As you can see, there's many barbers that make way more than this in a day. Without a doubt, I know some. I can count on my hands a bunch of barbers that I know in my city that make more than this in a day. You guys got to take into account I'm recording a lot of my haircuts. I kind of have a relaxed tone in my studio. I'm not in like a hustle and bustle shop where you're just cut, next one, cut, next. It's not really like that. You know, I have at least an hour and 10 minutes for each person in case they want to get their hair washed, in case they're running late. You know, I actually have snacks at my shop. It's an experience, you know, it's a vibe. So again, I'm not knocking anyone's hustle. I know barbers who make way more than me that are cutting that hustle and bustle in and out, 100 a cut. That's great. That's great for them. This is just my hustle. This is my game, and it's working for me. It's working for me. I love the YouTube game, posting my work out for you guys to see. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help me get put into YouTube's algorithm more so I can reach more people and more people can see me. Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy 4. I'm out. Peace.